Hi, in this video we will discuss how to integrate Flutter with Firebase. We will use the Firebase plugin to connect our Flutter application to Firebase. To get started, we need to create a new Flutter project. This can be done by running the following command, which is flutter create my app. This command will create a new Flutter project called my app. Next, we need to add the Firebase plugin to our project. This plugin will allow us to connect our Flutter application to Firebase. To add the Firebase plugin, we need to open the pubsec.yaml file in the root directory of our Flutter project. This file will contain the information about our project, such as its name, version, and dependencies. The following is an example of a pubsec.yaml file. Here we have the name, version, and description, and we also can see some dependencies like the Flutter and the Firebase core versions. Once we have added the Firebase plugin to our project, we need to run the Flutter packages get command to install the plugin. This command will download and install the plugin from the Dart pub repository. Now we are ready to connect the Flutter application to Firebase. Let's move to Android Studio and see all this in action. First, let's head over to our pubsec.yaml file and add the Firebase code dependency. Once we have added the dependencies, let's run the flutter pub-get command to have this in a dependency list. Let's move to our main.dart file and import the Firebase core. Now, inside of our body, let's create a class called Firebase auth. I'll make this class as a stateful class. Let's also create the init state and dispose state methods. Similar to initialization, let's also create the dispose state method here. Now that we have created our init state and dispose state methods, inside of our build method, let's create a button that takes an onPressed callback which signs in the user given the email ID and the password. Here we'll define our button and that will take an onPressed method which will sign in the user. This code will connect our Flutter application to Firebase. We can then use Firebase to authenticate users and store the data. That's it. We have successfully integrated Flutter with Firebase.